welcome back to MJ's Kitchen. I hope you're doing great today. Today I'm gonna make for you some honey mustard salmon, and these are my ingredients over here. I'm gonna make my sauce. This is my fish salmon. I'm gonna make my sauce. I'm gonna add some mustard. I need some for my veggie. I'm gonna make a salad. And this is my honey. Okay, that's enough. And I'm gonna put some red wine vinegar. What's the red wine vinegar? I'm adding olive oil. And I'm gonna add a little soy sauce. I'm gonna put a little fish oil. If you use all of these sauce, you don't need as much salt in it. I'm gonna add some fennel seed at the end. I'm adding some black pepper. Just a touch of salt. Next. Okay, I'm gonna add some lemon zest. Zest by lemon. Now I'm gonna squeeze it off of this lemon. Should have a bigger bowl for this. Okay. I have some garlic here. And I also have rosemary and thyme. See? Some rosemary and thyme. Okay, I'm gonna put this together. I'm gonna save some of this dressing for my veggie. This see, I didn't chop up my garlic because sometimes when they're too small they burn on the top. Okay, I'm gonna put my rosemary on top and thyme at the bottom because I don't want it to burn. It's going in the oven. Okay, we have to save some of this for my fennel. I didn't want the fennel in the dressing for my veg. Okay. Okay, we're gonna pop our salmon in now. Just put 5 minutes on it. Might done in less, but okay, I will be back. Now we're gonna put our boiler on for color. Let's give it some color at the top and just watch it. Okay, turn this off. Put the boiler on. Yeah, for color. And we're gonna cook our. Just gonna steam our vegetable in this water. Just let it steam. Okay, there's my salmon. It's done. Let's get my veggie together now. Okay. My sauce is in here. I'm gonna add my veggie back to some carrots. I just need some of this water to dry it out. Hey guys, this is my salmon with stir fry veggie, honey mustard salmon. I'm gonna taste. This is my piece here. Look how tender that is. It's flaky, like butter. So flaky too, just like butter. Yummy. Oh my God.